Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is March 7, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at this market, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading lower by 3 3/4 points to 23.71 3/4 per contract. So futures are ticking down a little bit today, but as long as the volume remains light, and yesterday's volume was extremely light, these markets can come back off the lows, and they've been doing that, and you see it almost each and every day. In fact, yesterday we had a very, very sharp sell-off. Once the afternoon hour came upon us, the market started to ramp right back up. Volume remained very, very light yesterday overall, and you could see how the markets basically recovered much of their losses from the early part of the session. So again, we're going to have to watch volume today. Volume was definitely light yesterday, but we'll see what it gives us going forward. Let's take a look at some stocks in the news. That's where we're going to try to make some money. First stock we're going to look at is Dick's Sporting Goods. Its ticker symbol is DKS. You're going to see this stock right now is trading at $50.52. Closed at $52.61. This is a pretty good little haircut for Dick's Sporting Goods. I am seeing support today right around $47. I'll also work out some more levels just in case that level doesn't work or if it just holds temporarily, and we'll find other levels below it. So Dick's Sporting Goods will be in play. I'll have more levels for you right at 9 o'clock in the morning in the intraday stock chat room. We had another good day in the chat room yesterday. Come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You'll see what it's all about. Next stock we're going to take a look at today is going to be Salesforce. Ticker symbol is CRM. Looks like they signed a deal to partner up with IBM in artificial intelligence. So again, the stock is getting a little bit of an uptick, closed at $82.50. It's now trading at $83.50. The trend is up on the name, so we're going to just say if you own it, trail your stop loss. If you don't own it, there's not much I would do with it here. Let's take a look at IBM. IBM right now this morning trading at $180.22. Full and fair disclosure, I do own IBM puts. So just to give everybody a heads up there. Next one we're going to look at here today is going to be Pier 1. PIR is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading at $7.05. Closed yesterday at $6.66. Looks like the company raised guidance. I don't know if we can make too much out of it. But again, right now trading at $7.05. We'll see where it goes once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at Thor Industries, THO. This company makes recreation vehicles. Stock right now is trading at $111. Closed at $115.42. This was a stock that is completely overbought. Look at this chart right here on a monthly basis. This is what we call a parabolic move. So again, stock is coming back in. I don't really see a whole lot of upside from here, but hey, you never know. But I do think it's severely overbought. Right now, trading at the 111 area. The only level that would really interest me would be down around 103.40, 103.50, somewhere down there. So unless the stock gets down there, I'm really out of the picture on this one. But either way, we'll look at it once the opening bell rings, and we'll see how it plays out. It looks like Pandora Media, ticker symbol P. Looks like they're getting hit a little bit this morning. Stock closed at $12.47. It is now trading at $12. Looks like, I believe somebody from Liberty Media said this is not an attractive takeover. So a little bit of talk moving the stock, and we'll see how it plays out. Let's take a look at CSX, which is a major railroad company. Looks like they finally got the CEO they wanted. The CEO, I believe, from Canadian Pacific Railways. Looks like the stock right now is trading at $49.70, basically right where it closed. I do think this is another overbought equity. This is ridiculous. We'll see if this is a buy the rumor, sell the news type event. Again, not much I would do there. Let's take a look at MIK, which is Michael Stores. They reported earnings. Stock is trading at $21.50. Closed at $20.50, so it's got a little bit of an uptick. Believe it or not, the stock has a lot of resistance here, and it has even more at $22. So I'm not sure it's going to really get through the 22 level. If you own it, trail the stop loss immediately. If you don't own it, there's not a whole lot that I would do at the moment. Next up, we're going to take a look at Casey's General Store. CASY is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading at 108. This is a light volume name, meaning it rarely ever trades a million shares a day. It trades between 3 and 500,000 on average. On a good day, it will trade over a million. But the only level I'm really seeing here is lower. So again, stock right now trading off a little bit. It's trading down, I should say. Now I would look at the $100 Pierce. That's really the only level that I'm even seeing, and I'm not even sure I'm going to take that one with the light volume. So we'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. We'll see how it plays out. Let's take a look at ALOG, which is Analogic, and what you're going to see here is this stock is getting hit, but there's not a lot of volume behind the move. But if it does fall, there's pretty good support around the $72 area. So keep that on the radar for today. I'm not sure it gets down there, but either way, that would be something that I would look at if it got lower. This is a stock that trades very light volume, generally around 100,000 shares a day or less. So be very, very careful with this one, but it is a little bit on the weaker side here ahead of the opening bell. Let's forward our attention now to the gold market. Gold is getting hit today, trading down about $5 on spot. Right now, spot price is $1,220.20. That was a little bit of a tongue twister. Next up, we have crude oil. Crude oil today is trading up by about 40 cents to $53.59 a barrel. If you look at the USO, you'll see that's trading this morning right at $11.37. USO is a pretty good oil ETF that follows the oil pattern pretty well on spot. So we'll see how this plays out today. Again, we'll see what this market gives us, and we'll see what this volume comes out to be. Remember, when the market has light volume, it generally helps the market stay buoyant. So that's what we've been seeing. And again, if you want to trade right alongside of us, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room, and you'll see everything that we are doing in there. With that being said, everybody, have a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.